Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and we're here back in Atlantic City on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. We're in the middle of a 3-part series on all of the restaurants in the hotels and casinos here in Atlantic City. Parts 1 and 2 will focus on the hotels and casinos on the Atlantic City Boardwalk, and Part 3 will focus on the marina side. Now, if you haven't seen Part 1, feel free to check that out. That focused on the hotels and casinos, the 3 northern hotels and casinos on the Atlantic City Boardwalk, which include Ocean Casino Resort, Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, and Resorts Hotel and Casino. Now in this part 2, we're going to focus on the hotels and casinos further south, including Bally's, Caesars, and Tropicana Hotel and Casino. And as I said, Part 3, which will be coming out shortly in the future, will focus on Borgata, Golden Nugget, and Harrah's. Now, as I mentioned in Part 1, I'm not obviously eating in all these restaurants. We're just going to be walking by. I'll give you a couple shots of the restaurant, let you know a little blurb about what kind of food they serve, that kind of stuff. Just kind of like an informative type of video in case you plan on visiting Atlantic City in the near future. With all that being said, are you ready for Part 2 of the restaurants in the hotels and casinos in Atlantic City? Let's get started. And here I am at Bally's Hotel and Casino, and of course outside, Johnny Rockets. Not a bad way to start the restaurants here at Bally's. Travel back in time at Johnny Rockets, the American diner with all the staples of the 50s, including juicy burgers, hand-spun milkshakes, and jukebox jams. This is Red Bowl 88. The menu borrows from Hong Kong, Vietnam, and Singapore, serving comfort food such as noodle soup, house-fried rice, and dumplings. Over by the reception area, you'll find Sacco Subs and Carluccio's Pizza, a great alternative for a late-night snack and something you can bring up to your room, which I've done in many videos. Up on the 6th floor of Bally's, we have Guy Fieri's Chop House. It seems like every time I come here, it's closed, and I know they have very limited hours. I think it's only Friday and Saturday right now, but even during the summer, their hours were kind of wacky. So, as with any of these restaurants on these videos, just check with the website, especially off-season like now. They might be closed during the week. Some of them are open all week long, and again, just check with the website just to make sure. In any event, Guy Fieri's Chop House serves up some steaks and seafood. And here we have Water Dog, which unfortunately just recently closed. They do have a second location in southern New Jersey, not in Atlantic City, but it's a shame because it was a nice deli, a nice place you can grab a sandwich or even breakfast. I did a video here. I think I had a patty melt. I enjoyed it. Great place to come to, good hours, great menu. It's a shame to see it's gone. I have no idea what's replacing it, but I will keep my eyes and ears open, and when I hear something, I'll let you guys know. And here we have Jerry Longo's Meatballs and Martinis. The combination couldn't be better, from meatballs and martinis to ricotta and cannoli. And when you're all done, you'll find 2 blackjack tables waiting for you inside the restaurant. I had a great meal and cocktail here. That video, of course, is available on the channel. Yeah, there's some self-promoting going on here, but I think it's important, just in case you want to find out more about these restaurants, you can in the videos. If a restaurant has a video on the channel, I'm going to let you know. Next up is the Yard, a relatively newcomer to the boardwalk. This beer garden style venue is a must-experience attraction offering live entertainment, a gastropub style menu, a curated tap list featuring local brewers as well as national brewers, and craft cocktails. I've been here a few times now and did a video from here, and I can tell you the entertainment is really good, and when there is no live entertainment, the music they play here is awesome. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And that's it for Bally's Hotel and Casino. Now we're going to head next door to the Wild Wild West, which is part of Caesars. I believe Wild Wild West has 1 or 2 places you can eat at. And Caesars going through lots of restaurant changes, so lots to check out over there. Come on. So I'm not sure why, but a lot of the Wild Wild West Casino is blocked off, I guess for construction. There is a place you can eat here called AC Snack Shack, and they have elevated fast food with burgers loaded with toppings and tempting tacos as well. There's also a Guy's Barbecue joint as well as Gold Tooth Gertie's. They're both located here in the Wild Wild West Casino, but they haven't opened since the pandemic, so I'm not sure what's going on with those. In the meantime, we're going to head up to Caesars. Okay, so not much going on at the Wild Wild West, but a lot's going on here at Caesars. Let's go check it out. First off at Caesars Hotel and Casino, as soon as you walk in off the boardwalk, on the right-hand side is the brand spanking new Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen. Gordon Ramsay brings Hell's Kitchen to the East Coast, making this his 3rd restaurant in Atlantic City. He also has a restaurant right here in Caesars, which would be, I guess, the 2nd one, Gordon Ramsay's Pub and Grill. And he also has one on the marina side of town called Gordon Ramsay Steak. I've been here for a cocktail and some pictures, which are located in the community room, but I've yet to eat here. I should soon. This used to be the buffet here at Caesars Hotel and Casino, but now it's called Slice Pizzeria. They feature stone-fired pizzas, fresh salads, Italian hoagies, and daily specials, opened only on the weekends. This is Morton's The Steakhouse, totally on the other side of the building off of Pacific Avenue. Morton's at Caesars Atlantic City is home to the best steak anywhere, according to the internet, setting the highest of standards for steakhouse fine dining. Flavor your day at Taza. This is Taza Cafe, the Caesars Atlantic City coffee bar located in the heart of the hotel lobby. You can also grab things like croissants and pastries and cookies and pieces of cake and cheesecake and nuts and just little goodies you can either bring with you or bring up to your room. This is Gordon Ramsay's Pub and Grill. According to the website, Gordon Ramsay's Pub and Grill is the best spot in Atlantic City for a true, authentic British pub experience. And again, this is the 2nd location for Gordon Ramsay in this very same hotel. He and Caesars has a very good relationship. Lots of Gordon Ramsay restaurants in Caesars properties around the country, including Las Vegas. Just off the casino floor sits Nobu, world-renowned Japanese restaurant recognized for pioneering a new style of Japanese cuisine. Nobu is also opening up a boutique hotel within Caesars, just like they did in Las Vegas. I'm actually in town right now, staying at the Resorts Hotel and Casino. I'm editing this video, which will be uploaded for tomorrow afternoon. And while I was on the website checking out Nobu at Caesars, it's stating that the Nobu restaurant is open. And they're taking reservations. Now, I just mentioned this weekend on my Play and Vacay news show that it was going to open up the spring of 2023. And that I got from the Caesars website press room. So there's kind of like a couple of contradictions here on the Caesars website. If this place is indeed open or closed, I will be here this weekend. And if it is indeed open, I will take some pictures and eventually, of course, bring you guys a video. This is Kui Noodle House, serving up Asian fusion cuisine with a modern twist at Caesars Atlantic City Hotel and Casino. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Alrighty guys, we made it all the way to the south end of the boardwalk, at least the Atlantic City boardwalk. We're in front of the Tropicana. Look behind me. Is that beautiful or what? It's a beautiful autumn day here. It must be about, I don't know, 65, 70 degrees, about 7 o'clock at night. Very nice. Anyway, gonna head into the Tropicana as my last hotel and casino and check out the restaurants there. It's right there. Okay, so I headed way to the back of the Tropicana. I'm starting from the back and I'll work my way forward. I'm in the quarter right now upstairs. This is Wild Honey Smokehouse and it just opened this summer. I did do a video from here. I had the ribs. They were very good. And the website says located in the very awesome quarter at the Tropicana, and it is indeed awesome. Wild Honey combines various styles of barbecue from all over the country, including Texas, North Carolina, and everywhere in between. This is a damn good sports bar, and the website says Atlantic City's hottest sports bar and lounge. A thrilling way to watch your favorite league events. Pair with your experience with one of the bar's famed 40-ounce beers and a classic array of game day favorites. This is Broadway Burger Bar. Broadway Burger Bar will wow you with its unique menu offering of fresh hamburgers cooked to perfection over an open flame. I had a burger and a huge pretzel. The pretzel was the appetizer. It came with dipping sauces. It was delicious. And Broadway Burger Bar is also part of the Atlantic City Burger Challenge, so check that video out as well. This is P.F. Chang's. I think everyone's familiar with P.F. Chang's. They're pretty much everywhere. I've yet to eat at this one though. I see a video in the near future. This is Cuba Libre Restaurant and Rum Bar. Experience the true taste of Old Havana at Cuba Libre, serving up authentic Cuban cuisine in a transportive vintage setting. I'm not quite sure what a transportive vintage setting is, but I will tell you I've eaten here. I've done a video, you can check it out. I had the paella for the main meal. I had empanadas for an appetizer. I had several Cuba Libres. The food, the service, the atmosphere, the music, everything is excellent here. I'd put it at the top of your list. And here we have Carmine's. Carmine's offers a taste of home-style Southern Italian cuisine in the heart of Atlantic City. They serve up family-style cuisine here, folks. So if you're eating by yourself, not a good choice. If you're eating with a group, fantastic choice. This is Pizzata. Design your own pasta dish or pizza. All you have to do is tell the chef what you want. The only issue I have with this place is lack of tables, and there's none inside the quarter either, so you either have to eat it standing up or bring it to your room. And here we have Golden Dynasty right at the entrance of the quarter here at the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. Golden Dynasty serves up traditional Mandarin cuisine, Cantonese specialties, and exotic delicacies. And here we have Il Verde right off the casino floor. Dine on your choice of hot and cold antipasto, soups, salads, pastas, fish and meat entrees, and desserts as well. Il Verde's award-winning wine list features Italian wine selected to complement each dish. Chickies and Pete's Crab House and Sports Bar is one of those places I've been wanting to go to for the past year or two, and I've just yet to eat there. Hopefully I will do so in the near future. It's a two-story, 16,000 square foot, full-service restaurant and sports bar that offers an extensive menu as well as its world-famous crab fries. Coming up here is a new offering from the Tropicana. Tropicana is offering a lot of new restaurants recently. This is Asu Japanese Tavern. Asu Japanese Tavern brings authentic Japanese cuisine and elegance to Tropicana, Atlantic City. Another new offering here at the Tropicana is Hash House A Go-Go. Enjoy twisted farm food and crafted cocktails at this world-famous brunch spot. Also, several locations in Las Vegas. Keep in mind this particular Hash House A Go-Go is a brunch spot, so I think it closes at 2 o'clock. You might want to check the website, but limited hours, but great for breakfast and brunch. I think I failed to mention that we're in the marketplace now downstairs at Tropicana. We started off here at the Tropicana at the Quarter, but now we're passing Hooters, a beach-themed restaurant known for its friendly girl next door servers, and they promise an entertaining dining experience in a fun, casual atmosphere known for their wings. And here we have Casa Taco and Tequila Bar. Indulge in a one-of-a-kind tequila list partnered with Mexican-American classics including tacos, fajitas, and guacamole prepared tableside. I've eaten here. The video's available on the New York channel. Really good tacos. Hey, if you're enjoying watching New York videos every day, why not support the channel and click on that thanks button located right below the video that you're watching. In doing so, your comment will be pinned above all other comments here on the video. Or perhaps check out the New York store, lots of stuff for the upcoming cold weather, including hoodies and sweatshirts and hats and things like that. All helps to support this channel, and I really do appreciate it. Thanks, guys. So this is pretty much the Tropicana's food court down here, and lots of places to choose from, and lots of them are like satellite fast food places of restaurants that are located here in the hotel and casino. So I had a great time filming or recording parts 1 and 2, and I'm heading over to the Borgata, the Golden Nugget, as well as Harrah's tomorrow to film part 3 of the restaurants of the hotels and casinos here in Atlantic City. I'm going to be in Las Vegas in about 2 weeks, and I plan on doing something similar there. All the restaurants in the hotels and casinos, not only on the Strip, but downtown as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.